ഹലോ എവ്രി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ടു വിന്നേഴ്സ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം. ഞാൻ രമ്യ. വിന്നേഴ്സ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം എന്ന ചാനലിലെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തതിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ ഈ ക്ലാസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. Before we start our problems, let us recollect all the important points related to refraction of light. Actually, speed of light is higher in a rarer medium than in a denser medium, right? In rarer medium, light can go very fast, but in denser medium, it cannot go that much fast. So that is the basic reason behind refraction of light. Okay, see here, light ray comes like this. So this is the angle of incidence. I denotes the angle of incidence. See, this dotted line denotes the normal to the point of incidence, and this is angle of refraction. See here, this is rarer medium and this one is denser medium. Light moves from rarer medium to denser medium. See, the light ray bends towards the normal. Here the light ray moves from denser medium to rarer medium. See, here I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction. Light ray moves away from normal when it moves from denser to rarer medium. And next point is Snell's law, refractive index. N21 is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Okay, it is sin I by sin R. And this is absolute refractive index. It is C by V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum. Roughly we will take it as 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and V is the speed of light in that medium. Okay, based on these things we will do problems. This is our first question. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42 and the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in diamond. We have learned the equation for refractive index. N is equal to C by V. Right? Here N is given as 2.42 and C is also given in the question itself, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have to find V, right? So 2.42, just substituting these values to this equation. 2.42 is equal to, okay, C, in place of C we can write 3 into 10 raised to 8 by V. So we need the value of V. We are going to take this V to the next side of the equal to symbol. Here it is in the denominator. When it moves to the next side, it will become a numerator part. See, 3 into 10 raised to 8 like this. 2.42 into V. In the next step, we have to take this 2.42 to the next side. So as we will get the value of V. Here it is multiplied by, when it is moved to the next side, it become divided by. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 by 2.42. This is the value. Here we have 2.42 in the denominator, right? So we can take it as 300 by 242. Why? See, here I have to change this denominator part. Here decimal point is here. I have to shift it to the right 2 points, right? So I have to add 2 zeros here in the numerator also. This much meter per second. And I have done 300 divided by 242 here. See, finally I got 960 here. But the nearest number, which is a multiple of 242, is 4 times 242 is 968, which is just above this number, right? So we can take it approximately 1.24 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in diamond. This is our second question. Velocity of light in water is 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. Find the refractive index of water. Here, in this question, relative refractive index is mentioned. Okay? We learned N is equal to C by V, where C is the velocity of light in vacuum and V is the velocity of light in the medium. Here the medium is water. What is given? Velocity of light in water, that is V, is 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. 3 by 4 c. Okay, so we can substitute this in place of v. That is c by 3 by 4 c. We can cut this c, and here this denominator 4 will go to this place. That is 4 by 3. That is the refractive index here. That is 1.33. That is the refractive index of water. This is our third question. The absolute refractive indices of glass and water. Of glass it is 3 by 2 and of water it is 4 by 3 respectively. If the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, calculate the speed of light in vacuum and in water. Okay, we know N is equal to C by V. Absolute refractive index is the ratio of velocity of light and velocity of light in vacuum and velocity of light in the medium. Okay, here N is given. N of glass is 3 by 2 and velocity of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, so Ng 3 by 2 means it is C by V, velocity of light in glass, and Vg is given as 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So what is C? That is what we have to find. Calculate the speed of light in vacuum means this is the first part's answer. Okay, C is equal to, see here 3 by 2. From here we will get 3 by 2 is equal to C by 2 into 10 raised to 8. See here 2 is there. No, we can cut it. Then 10 raised to 8 will go here. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is velocity of light in vacuum. Now we have to calculate velocity of light in water. Speed of light in water. Here absolute refractive index of water is given as 4 by 3. 4 by 3, that is equal to C by V, velocity of light in water. Okay, so 4 by 3 is equal to C by V W, velocity of light in water. So C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second by V W. That is equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to take this velocity of light in water VW to the next side of the equal to symbol. So 4 into VW by 3 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. Right? So what is VW? That is velocity of light in water. We have to take this 3 to the next side. That is, we will get 4 times V. See, 4 times V is equal to 3. Here it is divided by, when it goes to the next side it will become multiplied by 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 10 raised to 8. The next step we have to take this 4 to the next side. Here it is multiplied by, when it goes to the next side it will become divided by. So 9 by 4 into 10 raised to 8. 9 divided by 4. 2 times 8. Then 1 is the remainder, 0. 2 times 8. Then 2, then 0, 5 times. So we got the answer. It is 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is velocity of light in water. This is the last question of this video. In which of the given media light moves the fastest? Here a table is given. Water, ice, alcohol. The refractive indices are given. Calculate the velocity of light in water. Actually the point is lowest refractive index means light moves fastest. Here which one has the lowest refractive index? Ice, right? This is the lowest refractive index. So light moves fastest in ice. Next part of the question is second part. Calculate the velocity of light in water. Water, the refractive index is given as 1.33. Actually this refractive index is C by V. And we know the value of C is 3 into 10 raised to 8. So we will get the value of V from this relation. Here V goes to the next side, means 1.33 V is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. So what is V? 3 into 10 raised to 8 by 1.33. We have to do this division. How we will do this? See, we can change it as 300 by 133, right? This is same as V is equal to 300 by 133 into 10 raised to 8. Okay, 300 divided by 133. 2 times 266. Here again we have to do a decimal point. Here 1 0 is added. How many times? Again 2 times, right? So 2 times 266. Here 4, then here it is 7, 7, 7. Now again I have to give a 0 here. Now 133 into 5. Thus we get the answer as 2.25. So it is 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is the velocity of light in water.